Introducing the John Deere 2.5 gallon hand carry single stage electric oilless air compressor. The new oilless air compressor features a high performance 1 horsepower induction motor with quiet technology, which is significantly quieter than John Deere gas powered air compressors. It comes standard with a 1-year limited warranty. Today we will show you how to operate the unit. Our 2.5 gallon compressor features a 1 horsepower 120 volt motor with 2.4 cubic feet per minute at 90 psi. It is compact and very portable and weighs only 45 pounds, perfect for small jobs. Applications include pneumatic nail guns, blow guns, and small air tools. Let's see how easy the operation can be for you. Read all instructions in the operator manual prior to use. Please note, before first use, run the air compressor at 0 tank pressure with the drain valve fully open for 30 minutes. Before beginning, ensure the pressure switch lever is in the off position. Plug the power cord into a grounded outlet. Move the lever on the pressure switch box to the on position. Set pressure by adjusting the pressure regulator knob counterclockwise for less pressure and clockwise for more pressure. Connect the air hose to the quick connect coupler and you are ready to go. When you are finished using the air compressor and ready to stop operation, move the lever on the pressure switch box to the off position. Drain air from the air tank by releasing air with an attached air tool or by pulling on the safety relief valve. Once the air tank pressure gauge registers under 10 psi, open the air tank drain valve under the air tank to drain any moisture. It's that easy. For more information, please contact your local John Deere dealer.